We are doing one of my favorite workouts today, which is Pilates combined with weights for a little extra challenge. I am using 5-pound weights. I would do anything between 1 and 5. 5 is as heavy as you'll probably want to go. And if you don't have any weights at home, just use a can of beans, okay? So you're going to have your weights. You'll see mine here at the top of my mat. That's where I want yours to be. And we're going to start standing near those weights with your feet hip distance apart. Inhale. And exhale, tuck your chin, roll yourself down. Inhale when you get to the bottom, bend your knees if you need to. Exhale, roll back up. Inhale again at the top. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll yourself back down. Once your hands come down, just walk your feet out here. I'm just doing alternate knee bends. And then once I feel nice and steady, I am going to step my right foot back, hands plant down, left foot back, and then my knees come down. And then right away, I'm gonna take that left weight. So what I'm gonna do here is bring my elbow up towards the ceiling and then open it up, bend, and lower. So lift, open, bend, and lower. So we're starting right away here, getting into your shoulders. We're not wasting any time getting into those weights. And we're getting a really nice rotation through your upper spine, okay? One more. Nice job, bring it down. I'm gonna have you place that weight behind your left knee. So now your hands come underneath your shoulders. Your right knee is under your right hip. And you're gonna lift the left leg up and down. So no need to go fast during the repetitions. We're definitely gonna flow here a little bit more advanced speed than I sometimes do, because this is a little bit more of an advanced workout. But we still are nice and slow and purposeful in the repetitions themselves. Last 2. And 1, stay here, pulse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Let's warm up the other side. So that weight's gonna come forward again, and you're gonna take the right one. So it's in your hand. I'm gonna lift. You'll be able to see me from my back now as I lift up and come back down. So my elbow comes up, and then I open and twist my chest towards the side. Feel like you're pressing away from your left hand at the same time. So it's almost like you're trying to pull a rubber band between those 2 hands. Okay, one more. Twist, twist, twist. Nice, come back down. Place the weight behind your right knee. Hands underneath your shoulders. When we're ready, here we go. Lift and lower. So this is a great place to warm up because it's starting to get your blood pumping a little bit. We're getting your arms, we're getting your legs, we're getting the spine moving, and we're waking up your core, being in this all fours position that I love so much for working out and for training. 3, 2, keep it up and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, nice job. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Place the weights in front of you. Hands plant down. If you're comfortable, go to a plank. If not, just stay on all fours. You're gonna see where we're going here. Lift yourself up and back. And then walk your feet in and come down into a squat. I'm gonna hold the weights again. What I'm gonna do is stand up, and as I do, I'm gonna bend my elbows, and then I'm gonna come back down into my low squat. So I'm gonna come up, and it's a bicep curl, and down. If you need to modify this, then you can go right here, okay? You can just do like a mini squat if going all the way down is too much. Now, I'm gonna add something else to this. I told you, we're not messing around today. Come down. leave the weights and you're gripping them with your hands. Step back, right foot, left foot, then right in, left in. Stand up, curl all the way down. Left foot, left, right. Okay, so you can leave out any of those pieces that you want or need. And then left, you're just alternating which leg takes you back and in first. We're gonna do one more round each leg. So having the weights, believe it or not, can even take pressure off your wrists if you tend to not like to be on your wrists here. Okay, listen up. Step back, back, and stay here. And if you don't like this, you're gonna come to all fours, okay? So here I am, plank. This will be familiar. Left arm up, open, and down, and then just alternate, okay? So you're either on all fours or you're up in your plank. We warmed you up for this. I didn't warn you it was coming back, but here it is. This is one of my favorite moves of all time, actually. If I don't have a lot of time, I throw this one in. I just gave our unlimited membership a full workout on twists, and it has a lot of this in it. Okay, one more each side. And other side. Nice job. Knees down and set it back. Okay, leave one weight. We're gonna be up on our knees holding one. Knees are gonna be hip distance apart. We're gonna play with an exercise called thigh stretch in Pilates. And if you want, feel free to do it without the weight to start with, okay? So I'm gonna hold it in both hands and it's gonna come right up against my chest. Feel like your tailbone is dropping down while your pelvic floor lifts up, because to me it's really important to protect this whole area. Keep your back flat and you're gonna hinge back and come back up. If it bothers your knees, just pad them. You can put as much padding under your knees as you need to here. Okay, so again, I'm trying to keep a straight line. I don't want you to back bend when you go back. This isn't like a camel pose in yoga. It's not a back bend. It's actually trying to keep your back completely flat. Now we're gonna go back, stay here. Reach your arms out, pull them in, and come up. So back, arms out, arms in, and up. You got it. Back. And keep breathing. Reach out, pull in, and up. See if you can go back a little bit farther. You should be feeling your thighs right now. I know it's called thigh stretch, but it's really thigh work. Back. So stay here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up and sit back down. Good job. All right, take the weights. You're gonna bring both of them forward again. So options here, and I'm gonna actually set my right one to the side. I'm gonna keep only my left weight. It's gonna go behind your left knee again. So your option is to do another set on all fours, or I want you to plank. So my right foot goes back, I plank it up, and I lift my left leg up and in. Okay, so your choice. This is Pilates leg pull with a weight. My elbows are slightly bent so they're not locked. 4, 3, 2, 1. Leave it up, pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull it in. Nice job. We can just switch sides. I'm just going to use the same weight straight to the other side. So again, stay on all fours, or if you're ready, Take it back. I'm going to curl my my left toes under. My belly has to really lift up because I have to brace so much to be strong in my center to be able to hold this plank. Try to keep a straight line from the back of your head to your heels. 4, 3, I feel this one. 2, 1, and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in. Oh, I was shaking on that last one, guys. Nice job. Bring the weight around, bring your legs around, and then find yourself seated with your legs at mat distance apart. Pull your toes back towards you. Have one weight again and pull it into your chest, okay? Sit up nice and tall. Inhale to the right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Keep pulling the toes back. Keep sitting up as tall as you can. And either stay here or bring your arms overhead. And now continue keeping the arms straight and strong over your head. So really, really getting some nice mobility again in that upper spine. One more each side. Make sure you even yourself out wherever you started. Nice job. Bring it back down. We're going to bring the legs together. And we're going to do a roll down with the weight. But if you would rather practice this without the weight, that's completely fine. Just leave it to the side. Inhale tall. Exhale curl. Roll yourself down. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, tuck your chin, and we're just going to try to roll ourselves back up, holding the weight over your legs. Restack. Curl and roll back down. And again, feel free to leave the weight to the side. Feels much different. Even just 5 pounds makes such a difference on some of these exercises. Okay, roll down halfway. Stay here. Inhale the arms away. Exhale, pull it in. Nice job. And 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down. Reach the arms back. And then just pull them back up. Inhale, arms reach back. Exhale, pull them up. You can bend your knees here if you need to. Last 2. Nice job. Bring the weight in. Bring your legs in. Arms out to a T. Let your knees fall to the left. You're going to look to the right. And then take it to the other side. And then come back up to center. Straighten your legs. Reach your arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Tuck your chin. Roll yourself up. Over your legs. Restack. And great job. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.